And welcome back. Well, Smile Day is on Saturday, and that means free admission to the zoo.
Dr. Lisa Teel and Dr. Russ Dunkel are both here from Greater Milwaukee Dental Association with more on this great event that you can take advantage of. Great to meet you guys.
Good to meet you guys too.
Thanks for having us. Absolutely. Let's talk about the Greater Milwaukee Dental Association. What is it, and what is Smile Day?
Okay, the Greater Milwaukee Dental Association is actually a component organization of the Wisconsin Dental Association, and we were established actually in 1936, believe it or not. And it's a group of the dentists in the Greater Milwaukee area, and we do a lot of public service type of things for the public awareness, and as well as the WDA. That's primarily one of the keystones of the organizations is public awareness, volunteering, doing what we can to educate the public, etc.
And what exactly is Smile Day?
Smile Day is a fantastic event. Come down from 10 to 2 on Saturday. Bring your children. It's primarily for children and parents to really just enjoy oral health care advocacy and education. So we have a lot of students coming from especially Marquette University and also
Milwaukee Area Technical College and WCTC as well.
And those students will be putting on games and booths, and it's going to be a great time.
It's fun.
It's a great focus. What do you say to people, to parents, to kids about why dental or oral health rather is so important?
Oral health care, really dental care, is critical to having a healthy body. And I think that people don't really understand the full scope of that. Not only really preventative care and routine dental care, getting in for those important things at least every 6 months with your general dentist is important. It's going to prevent problems, and preventing those problems ahead of time is going to cause or really prevent a lot of grief and discomfort and of course costs down the road. And really my take-home message is that dentistry and dental care is comfortable these days. It's not what it used to be. So with the caring professionals we have, modern technologies, and the comfort measures available, dental care is more gentle and comfortable than ever.
Yeah. It's so true. There's not really a reason to be afraid of the dentist anymore.
No.
Like back in the old days when people would always kind of have that fear. It's not like that anymore. This is so then your 25th anniversary.
Correct.
So an exciting year. So how many people do you expect will attend? And if they bring in this flyer, right, they get in for free.
Right.
They
still would have to pay for parking.
There it is. You can see it.
Yep. Mine's in black and white, but that's what it looks like. Yep.
So that's what you got to bring to get in for free. And how many people do you expect? What will they be doing while they're there? What
Well,
will you guys
last
be
year
doing?
we had approximately 450 to 500 participants that came through.
great.
And that was actually in March, and the weather was a little bit
Iffier.
yeah. Well, we're hoping this year with it being in April, and look, the weather forecast looks like it's supposed to be decent.
Good.
So we're hoping we could have as many as 600 to 800 people come through. We have about 140 volunteers from Marquette, MATC, and WCTC that are volunteering and participating.
That's wonderful.
And we get probably 20 to 25 dentists and their staff that also help us run the thing. And we also have a magician, Arden James. This is going to be his 15th year, I believe.
Can he make cavities disappear?
I was just going to say, can you do a root canal like magic?
We haven't asked him on that, so I suppose that's something I should bring
magic,
up. That's
yeah.
magic, yeah.
Well, I think you make such a good point in your periodontist about a healthy mouth is a healthy body, especially one of the things I learned about after having 3 kids in pregnancy was how important oral health is to having a healthy baby. And we know now, too, that your gum health, your oral health can affect your heart.
Absolutely.
Even,
Absolutely.
and a lot of other medical problems.
For certain, yes, absolutely. I think that's something that fortunately the public is starting to be aware about through advocacy campaigns, but for certain, not only does a beautiful, healthy smile exude confidence and joy and happiness, but also is really a reflection of your overall health. And we found an association with my specialty, especially in periodontics, that there is an association between gum disease, heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and even respiratory problems. So it's very important, and teaching these things at an early age in a non-threatening, non-stress environment, especially for the kids, that is going to make a huge difference and a great impact.
creating those good habits at an early age, so it just becomes second nature to floss, to brush, to do those things each day. That's exciting. I think for people who want to know how to find a good dentist or things like that, what do you suggest to people? A lot of people usually just go by referral or the person they grew up with that their parents use. Yeah, but if somebody's using, if somebody's looking, how do you find a great dentist in the area?
Well, they can also go to either the GMDA or the WDA website.
Okay.
And there's a Find a Dentist segment in both of those they can look at. And also this year at the Smile Day event, we're going to have a table clinic set aside that will kind of help them, point them in a direction to find a dentist as well. Especially for a lot of people who don't have a good dental home.
Exactly. Well, to get into the zoo for free, you must have the flyer that we showed you. Go to gmda.org and click on the Smile Day at the Zoo and then download the flyer. Bring it for free admission this Saturday, again, at the zoo. Great to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having us. It's a pleasure.